Good day, everyone. My name is Juan Patrick Arcasorao from De La Salle University, Las Marinas. Today, I'll be presenting my project on gold price prediction using machine learning models. Gold has long been seen as a safe haven, especially during economic uncertainty. Its price is shaped by a complex mix of global economic indicators, geopolitical events, currency fluctuations, and market sentiment. Accurate gold price prediction is essential for making informed financial decisions and managing risks. With the advancement of machine learning, we can now analyze large volumes of historical data and identify patterns that traditional methods might miss. In this study, I applied 10 different machine learning models to forecast gold prices, aiming to find the most reliable approach. Recent studies have increasingly used machine learning for financial forecasting, including gold price prediction. Both simple models like linear regression and advanced ones like ensemble and neural networks have been explored. Kaggle has also provided valuable datasets and benchmarks for this research. The main objectives of my study are to pre-process the dataset, implement and compare various machine learning algorithms, evaluate their performance, visualize the results, and ultimately provide insights that can improve gold price forecasting. I use a historical gold price dataset from Kaggle, which includes daily records. The data was cleaned by formatting dates, sorting chronologically, and removing missing values. To ensure the model only uses information available before each prediction, I created lagged features. The features used for modeling were the previous day's prices and volume, while the target was the current day's closing price. The data was split chronologically to preserve the time series order. I trained and evaluated 10 machine learning models, ranging from simple linear models to advanced ensemble methods, to compare their effectiveness in predicting gold prices. I also use OpenAI's ChatGPT to assist with project planning, code structuring, and clarifying machine learning concepts. While ChatGPT provided valuable guidance, all analysis and interpretations were conducted independently. Ridge regression achieved the best performance with the lowest mean squared error and highest R squared score. Linear regression and lasso also performed well. Ensemble methods like random forest and gradient boosting were strong, but did not surpass the linear models. ElasticNet performed the worst. Feature importance analysis showed that the previous day's closing price was the most influential predictor. The time series plots demonstrate that the models closely follow actual gold prices, with only minor prediction gaps during volatile periods. Regularized linear models like Ridge provided the most accurate and robust forecasts, while ensemble methods captured nonlinear relationships. They didn't outperform the linear models. There's room for further improvement by integrating more features or using more advanced modeling techniques. In conclusion, 10 machine learning models were tested for gold price prediction, with ridge regression emerging as the most effective. Machine learning significantly enhances forecasting reliability. Future work could involve adding more features and exploring deep learning approaches. Here are the main references that supported this research, including academic papers and Kaggle datasets. Thank you for your attention and interest in my work on gold price prediction. Using the machine learning, I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into how advanced analytical tools can enhance financial forecasting. Thank you.